In discrete manufacturing, control isn't optional. It's the difference between progress and pause. Every supply chain, every order, every cost variable must be mastered. Manufacturing leaders need actionable insights and unwavering confidence to tackle unexpected bottlenecks, optimize complex shop floors, and pivot with ever-changing demand. Sage X3 delivers when it matters most, driving efficient production, protecting margins, and ensuring supply chain resilience. Sage X3 is ERP elevated, purpose-built for discrete manufacturing. Gain full visibility into demand planning, streamline production, and schedule resources with unmatched predictability. Enhance inventory control and track stock across multiple locations in real time and eliminate shortages. Reduce waste and scrap, avoiding stockouts and improving cash flow. Master your manufacturing, proactively manage risks, and drive end-to-end visibility. Track costs with precision across every stage of production. Deliver profitable insights, protect margins, and strengthen financial oversight. Take control of your production with a powerful work order management system. Achieve full traceability, build supply chain resilience, and keep your business running with confidence. Unlock high performance with predictability, control, and resiliency. Power your manufacturing with Sage X3. Built for high performance, engineered for efficiency, and ready for what's next.